Hi, I'm Constantine Annis, owner of Ethos Roofing and Restoration. Today we're in Alabama replacing a customer's roof due to hurricane damage. What we're going to be going over is the necessary steps to ensure your roof gets a FORTIFIED certification, which can lead to significant discounts on your insurance premiums. I'm going to send it over to our project manager, Nick, who's going to go into more detail on these steps.
The first step that we need to do is perform a tear-off of the existing roofing surface all the way down to the decking. Once this is done, we'll move on to the next step, which will be repairing any rotten or damaged decking. This section of roof has been fully torn off and prepped, and as you can see, there is a few areas where the decking is rotted. I'm going to notate these and let the installers know that we need to replace these two sections. The next step is to re-nail the roof sheathing. For this, we use an 8-penny ring shank nail, and we install these every 6 inches in the field and every 4 inches on the gable ends. The ring shank nail has a granulated surface on the shank that provides greater wind uplift in the event you have a hurricane or high wind event in your home. The next step is to seal your roof deck. There's 2 methods to achieve this. One is a waterproof seam tape, and it goes anywhere there's a seam on the plywood. And what this is going to do is prevent water from entering the attic in the event the shingles blow off the roof. The other option is a fully adhered ice and water shield. So this product comes in a 3-foot roll. It's got a highly adherent adhesive on the back and a granular surface. If you're going to be installing waterproof deck tape on the decking seams, one additional step that you'll need is to install ice and water shield in the valleys. This is a leak-prone area because it channels a lot of water off the roof, and the ice and water shield will seal that area and ensure there's no leaks. The next step is to install synthetic underlayment. Synthetic underlayment is a polymer material that is highly tear resistant. What we do is we'll roll it out on top of the roof deck and then nail it in a high wind nailing pattern. We use plastic cap nails, installing a nail every 6 inches on the lap and then 2 rows of 12-inch in the field. What this does, it prevents water from getting inside the house in the event your shingles do blow off. The next step is to install drip edge. Drip edge goes around the perimeter of the roof and it prevents water from getting in on the edges. When we install this, we have to use a 4-inch staggered nailing to make sure the drip edge is not going to be moved by any wind. Once that has been completed, the next step is to install a self-adhered starter. Starter goes around the whole perimeter of the roof, and what this does, it seals the edges of the shingles. On the top side, you have a tar strip. So you lay this out on the edge of the roof, and when we install the shingles, they lay on top and adhere to that tar strip. In addition to that, it has a fully adhered backing, so it sticks to the roof. The final step is to install the actual shingle to your roof. When installing the shingle, you want to make sure your product adheres to the ASTM Class F and H. This requirement ensures that your roof will meet 130 mph wind rating. When we install the shingles, we use 6 nails per shingle, and this ensures that we meet that recommendation.
So you've just watched the 7 necessary steps to attain a FORTIFIED certification. If you have further questions or need assistance with your roof, give us a call.